Do you copy? Something struck my copter. Do you hear me? Oh, shoot. Hi there. I copy. Copy. I copy. Something's here. Do you copy? Do you copy? Tower to copter. Do you copy? Copter. Do you copy? Is everything okay, sir? No, we just lost a tracker. We need to send up another copter. I'm gonna go with this one myself. I should probably go with you just because, well, extra support just in case something happens. Well, something did happen, so that's why we're going. You already have your gear, so let's go get another chopper. And lift off. What happened here? I don't know. But it sounded like a baryonyx over the thing. Should probably take a look around. I'll go find a cage if there's one nearby, so we can load this raptor up and study it as a specimen. Okay, look at this raptor. This is something broke its neck. Those claws. Much sharper than most. Why is it so big? This isn't a Utah raptor. It's much taller and bigger than that. It's not a megaraptor though, because that's an oviraptor. Maybe. I'm just definitely not moving dead corpse. Can I look inside of its mouth? Oh my gosh, it's like staring out down the barrel of a gun. Well, I have to take some saliva samples, some DNA samples, see if we can get a definitive answer. Maybe it's a new form or type of Dromaeosauridae. I'm gonna go find him. See if he's in a cage. It's been at least an hour. Where is he? His corpse has been rotting for almost an hour. I'll just try to attach it somehow. Hey, over here. Go fetch this, you big pile of meat. You okay? Yeah. Thanks for saving my life. Let's get this cage to the helicopter now. Done. Guard real quick. You just check out the specimen. Why does it have a tail? Everything else seems intact. Okay. Open the cage. Other way. There we go. Okay. Okay, let's go. What is that? What is that? What, sir? That in the trees. Oh no. We gotta go now. That's a Spinosaurus. Sir, what about the specimen? Forget about the specimen. Climb on. I can't. We have to grab the specimen. We have to examine it. Ugh, I'm leaving you here, whether you like it or not. No, sir! This is crazy. Wait. Oh, hi.